And we're starting. So we're on week 2, February. So if you can teach us the first one, it's he thinks you are bad.
What chutan was kushu call.
Did you say what chutan lash kwashu call?
Eh.
Thank you. Then how about number 2? She thinks she is bad.
What chutan was kush call.
Did you say what chutan lash kwash call? Thank you. And then number 3, he thinks we are bad.
What chutan was call.
Did you say what chutan lash kwash call?
Eh.
Thank you. And then how about number 4? He thinks you folks are bad.
What chutan was kalap call.
Did you say what chutan lash kalap call?
What chutan was kualap call.
Okay. What chutan lash kwalap call?
Eh.
Thank you. And how about she thinks they are bad?
What chutan was kush call wheat.
Okay. Did you say what chutan lash kwash call wheat? Perfect. Thank you. And number 6, I heard that your father is sick.
Kanim scan kush awesome tin skatsaswa.
Okay. Did you say kanim shkash quish alsum tea and squawk shwa? Squawk zashwa.
Skatsaswa.
Squawk sa shwa.
Eh.
Thank you. And then number 7 is I told him I was going to work.
Squalin scan kunswa ho nas gruesome.
Okay. Did you say squalin scan quen shwa holes nash quish qualusham?
Eh.
Thank you. And then how about number 8? I heard that you helped my uncle.
Kanim scan kusnuk anach tin shishka.
Did you say kanim shkash kush nukwanach ti and shika?
Eh.
Thank you. Then how about 9? Your father told me that you were looking for me.
Squalin chas tin skats wa swa kushu huilinch.
Good?
Could I say that again?
Yes.
Squalin chas tin skats swa kushu huilinch.
Perfect. Did you say shkwalin chash ti squawk shashwa kwashu huilench?
Eh.
Thank you. And then number 10, I heard that you folks are helping Harry.
Kanim scan kualap nuk an kushari.
Did you say kanim shkan kwalap nukwan kushari?
Eh.
Kukstum kau.
What chutan was kushukal. What chutan was kushukal. What chutan was kushukal. What chutan was kushkal. What chutan was kushkal. What chutan was kushkal. What chutan was kushkal. What chutan was what kushkal.
You're right.
What chutan was kushkal. What chutan was kulapkal. What chutan was kulapkal. What chutan was kulapkal. What chutanwas kus kalwit. What chutanwas kus kalwit. What chutanwas kus kalwit. Kanimskan kus alsam die skatsaswa. Kanimskan kus alsam die skatsaswa. Kanimskan kus alsam die skatsaswa. Squalskan kunswan hot nas grusham. Squalskan kunswan hot nas grusham. Squalskan kunswan hot nas grusham. Kanimskan kunsnuk anach din siska. Kanimskan kusnuk anach din siska. Kanimskan kusnuk anach din siska. Squalin chest din skatsa. Start over. Squalin chest din skatsaswa kusu huilinch. Squalin chest din skatsaswa kusu huilinch. Squalin chest din skatsaswa kusu huilinch. Kanimskan kolap nuk an kusheri. Kanimskan kolap nuk an kusheri. Kanimskan kolap nuk an kusheri.
Perfect. Thank you.